Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials and starting the fix immediately. Check the iOS version and the exact Apple ID that triggered the notification. This determines available options. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer so you can restore data if needed. Make sure you have the Apple ID password or a trusted device for verification. If you don't, use Account Recovery now. This initial preparation prevents delays when you remove the notification. Now proceed step by step to clear the alert. Open Settings, tap your name, and attempt to sign out under Password and Security. Enter the Apple ID password or confirm on a trusted device when prompted. If you must keep some data, choose Keep on this iPhone, then remove the account later. If the banner still appears, navigate to Settings, right arrow Notifications, locate the Apple ID or iCloud-related notification channel, and disable or adjust it. These actions address both account and UI notification layers. Finish by restarting the device so system services refresh and the notification clears. If the alert remains, reset network settings to refresh connections to Apple servers. This won't erase personal data, but will need Wi-Fi passwords re-entered. Make sure iCloud status shows correctly under your Apple ID in Settings. If you're locked out or the notification indicates security issues, start Apple Account Recovery or contact Apple support for verification assistance. One key tip: patience, propagation, and cache clearing can take a few minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.